Man, I'll show you these. Need a jack, definitely a breaker ball, regular ratchet, and this one switches off from 1/2 inch to 13/16 or 19.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix. Love it when you with the die.
22, whatever, man. I'll show you this shit. This shit drop. Finish, y'all. Metal to metal. This is bad. I'll show you in a second, though. All right, let me hurry up. Look, y'all. This is where my squeak was coming from. It's nothing. This shit is stuck. Oh! Give me a screwdriver. Word. Man. This shit was jammed up. It's just bad break, bro. It's a finish. Whatever. Time for new ones. Alright. So brake grease. I had this bottle for like 2 years already. Every time I do my jobs, it works. I honestly need a screwdriver, but these metal clips come out. These are the old ones. Get new ones in the box. Old brake pads. So, oh shit. These are new. Right. Small clips. Bottom. In. Top. Clamp it in. And then you see this one right here. She goes on top. The caliper. Try to figure out exactly. So I gotta push that piston in a little bit more. You do that. Full brake pad. Stop recording?
No, yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Much as we can. Make it leveled. Now it's leveled, it's flat. It's clean to go right down. So we can guide those brakes in. What I do with the brake grease is throw it on the pistons, around the back area. Keep them lubricated. Throw it on the guides a little bit. It's just grease. Pop the new ones in. So obviously goes top first. Alright, slide it right on. Should slide on perfectly. And screw it back in, guys. Everything we gotta do is pump the brakes. Done. Good.
And you're pumping the brakes for because what?
So you want to get that piston in the back to push against the
Okay.
caliper. Well, the calipers. This is the whole caliper. So the brake pads are gonna go against the rotor as tight as it can. So when you're driving it, you won't hear it, but when you press the brake, you still won't hear it. But it's not good.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, I'll just take this up real quick. I'll just pump the brakes in a second. And if you want, you can bleed it. That's your brake bleeder right here. I should have used the electronic one. I had the electronic one. Alright, it's just electronic ratchet. I just like using it to make my job easier. So again, see, we know that it's tight. The tightest point. So is this. Right? And then you take the ratchet, just make sure the one that's tug on it Both ends. Now watch, I want you to show this gap right here, right? I'm gonna pump the brakes right now. You're gonna see the shape.
He's gonna pump the brakes right now.
That's it, man. Job done. I went to AutoZone last night and they had Duralast Gold. They didn't have the regular Duralast. So the regular Duralast was 30 bucks. These are 40 bucks. It changes amongst cars, right? I'm gonna offer up. Some guy is selling front pads and rear pads for 25 bucks. Both. So I spent 40 on just this pack of front, and I could have went online. Bought it. I'm still gonna buy it from him. I need the back brakes regardless, and then I'm gonna have extra 6 pads for the front. So I'll be good for another 6 months to the year with my pads. But 25 bucks I offer up, bro. You can't beat it. You gotta find it. Like instead of spending 40 on one pack, I spent 25 plus shipping, $7, 32 bucks on 2 packs.
Yep.
But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.